So I have those Sunwing Airlines bag tags, the new ones, a whole crap load of them, over 100, and those are quite nice. And then there's that. Also, Air Transat gave me a giant sticker roll full of Air Transat cabin baggage stickers to put on your luggage. And I got boarding passes from like Fredericton to Vancouver, and baggage tags, and when I went to Vancouver and stuff, and then my friend went to Vancouver, and then I got these safety cards, Air Canada A321, and Air Canada Express -8 100. Air Canada Jazz -8 Q400 Next Gen. And then finally an Air Canada Airbus A320. And I saved the best for last. I actually got two pairs of, actually I'll bring them over here. Two pairs of Air Transat Pilot Wings. They're so awesome. I got two pairs. The co-pilot. This one is the pilot. This one's the co-pilots, and this one is the pilots from Punta Cana. Air Transat is basically my favorite airline, and I want to fly for them when I'm older. So I'm going to get as much Air Transat stuff as possible. I'm their biggest fan, and the flight attendant from at the airport yesterday said she's going to send me a whole package full of Air Transat stuff. So stay tuned for those. Thank you.